Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. So I just wanted to come on and say how easy this project was to put together. So I am making a bunch of kits for a swap, and so I just wanted to come on board and show you how fast and easy this kit is to assemble. So this is the kit, and it actually is really cool for putting in things for Happy Mail, so to package your stuff up nicely. And it's like super, I don't know, it didn't take hardly any time to do. So anyway, this is a kit. I don't even know what it's called, but it's from I'm pretty sure it's from KS Craft Store or Andy's store. I will try to link it below. I can't remember it. I wish they would put that on their packaging so I would know which store I got it from. But anyway, this is the main piece, so you would just need to cut one of them. I thought you needed to cut two, so I did that initially, and then I realized you only needed one. And then the thing I love about it is that it comes with layering pieces. So this is what I used to cut out the printed paper. I like to cut the main part in the 110 cardstock so that it's stronger. This is the layering pieces, but it also comes with some other pieces that I'll share with you. This is the side pieces, so it'll attach nicely there. And then if you want to add in like this type of design so that you don't have to use printed paper, you can always put that in and layer the die cut piece that you cut there. It even comes for the side piece. And here it also comes with this fancy label, and I didn't realize it, but this label here goes in here, and then look, they give you the alphabet too. So I didn't know what to put in terms of the label for the person, so I just didn't do that. I figured they can I'm giving them enough ephemera where they can then decorate the box how they want to. But I just thought I would share that because a lot of times I buy these dies and I don't cut it you know, when I first get it, and then I'm like super intimidated and then I don't want to do it. So you should just try and cut it. Like actually Erica, who is Scrap Diva 29, she's really good at that. As soon as she gets her dies, she usually cuts it right away, and then you can see like how cool it looks. Like, it's hard to imagine sometimes when you just see the dies. Okay, so that's what the finished product is gonna look like. And then what I did was I just grabbed different paper from my I think it's called I Am collection by Simple Stories, and I love that how it kind of coordinates together. So if you're gonna do like something for like people you're gonna see in person, although we don't really have too much of that right now, they'll all still kind of coordinate, but they'll all be different. And then these are just the sides. So yeah, I think that was a really neat one to do, and I just thought that in case you have that die, you might want to at least give it a shot, because like I said, it's pretty cool for like putting Happy Mail in. I don't know if it's the size of a card, like if a A2 size card could fit, but I'm guessing it probably can. So it might even be good for packaging up like card gift, like not greeting cards, but you know, the kind of cards that we make, the A2 size ones. All right, well, that's all I have to share right now. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey everyone, I'm back with the share on the packaging for this kit. So this is actually it's actually I actually used it here, so I did make it here, where it's a great way to package up your stuff. This is what it'll look like when it's already done. I will share this in another video, but so I made a set of 4 kits here using is it the I Am collection? I think it's the I Am collection by, I think it's Simple Stories. And so these are the side pieces. I already shared what the contents are of the kit, but I did add in all of the chipboard stickers so that in case you wanted to use that to embellish her project. Again, I used those laminated sheets as the backing, and then I did add in the sticker set that I had bought the whole collection on Peachy Cheap, so I just gave her all of the ephemera and the stickers that go with it. And then I had made these a long time ago. I think it was when the pandemic first started and we were on lockdown. So I had started crafting again, and I found this bow die from Paper Tray Ink that I had a really long time ago that I never ever used. And I think Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01, had brought hers out and used it, so it inspired me to use mine. So anyway, I had a bunch of these that were already made, so I decided to use one of them on this for the packaging, and then I just added in some of my trims. So I just went through my ribbon and trim stash, and I just cut a bunch and I just hot glued it onto here. So that is what it looks like, and I hope she likes it. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.